So there was a code CH03 on the LG indoor head and let me focus on this. Come on, focus. Okay, so on this series of heads, the outdoor unit is the muti-V, and your trouble code on your AC Smart will be CH10. Your air handler will die, and you'll have a CH10. So if it's on a weekend and you can't get any backup parts, disconnect your thermostat. Now you know you can't run it without the thermostat usually, but disconnect it from your thermostat, come up to the controls, and at the bottom of this board right here, there's dip switches. You go to the dip switches, and if you look right there at the dip switches, see if I can focus. Number 4, switch number 4, and if I could get it. Dip switch number 4, you'll see, is at a different position. So we switched the dip switch number 4 from the down position over to the number to the up position, and that clears your CH air code number and gets the air handler working again. Okay, so that's a temporary fix. When you're on the weekend, you can't get any parts, you need to get it running. So right now, it will run off the thermostat that's located in the back of the air handler, and it'll judge temperature off of that. And you don't need this anymore because you have the AC Smart located exteriorly, and you're good to go. And I notice it's a little bit dirty there. I'm going to clean their filter for them. And that's it for this little weekend emergency repair. That'll take care of that. Now the fogger is off. Okay. Till next time, a quick weekend repair. Only took a few minutes, but it's something you can't really talk the customer through.